Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Northeast Adventist University, Cleatershi, West Jantia Hills District. Haksni palay ka khanday tarik unay luar arajar arpuat. Kalarkhe ka wall physiotherapy day. Negasni kan mau kerpang yaki nong tray physiotherapist. Kibatray hakaleng ka perthay. Halor ka jingdan benta jongki banwara ya ka jingkot jingkhya yaki nong pang bat penyo karukam im kabalay lut kumba ki julong. Hakani ka jingrakhe la sakhi lang do menteri ka sarkar jala uba kermen chala ka orthopedic physiotherapist district early intervention center Jowai ka Dr. Andre Shalla ka license and development officer jongga NEAU ka Dr. Jemima Marak vice chancellor NEAU Dr. Paul Bhagian bat kiwe hakani ka sini la pleru ya ka electrotherapy lab bala sami ki khusnam shakinong job hakajing ka tho poster but hakapo janmiat kala pelong ya free health check up na benta ki pajba jong khosnong Cleatershi ki balawan sim benta kumba arpu wengut
No light.
Nice. Congratulations.
It is marked as an opportunity for all the profession physiotherapists from all over the world to raise awareness about the crucial contribution of the profession makes to health keeping well, mobile and independent. So today is our day. We are gathered here as all the physiotherapists, and we gathered here with a motive in order to raise awareness on our theme, that is osteoarthritis and the role of physiotherapists in its management and prevention. So you will hear a lot today about osteoarthritis. Okay? In Pranam it is also called as Jikangman. So it is a very knowledgeable topic to each one of us here. So I hope by the end of our session, each one of us will take up a good lesson. In 1951, every year on 8th of September, we celebrated the World Physiotherapy Day. This day marks the unity and solidarity of the global physiotherapy community. It is an opportunity to recognize the work of the physiotherapists, what they do for their patient and the community. The reports from all over the world indicates that the World Physiotherapy Day activity have a positive impact on the profession profile and standing before the public and policy makers. Just like on this year, everyone, our audience, whoever is present here, they will take away the lesson of osteoarthritis and how to prevent to get osteoarthritis. So I hope you.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To urge the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.